I actually have seen a lot of our clients make a crap load of money trading futures. So I've actually become quite interested. When you start seeing a bunch, like when you see one person show you a 400% a year return, you're like, yeah, sure, whatever. When you get, three or four or five people tell you the same thing, so you start to pay attention. So I think we do some future strategies. I think that'd be pretty cool. And then in terms of, what we're going to trade today, there's a bunch of different things that we can do. One thing I was thinking about, because I've been talking to a lot of people, and there's definitely a lot of worry out in the market right now where, maybe we're about to see a nice little correction or something like that. I've been thinking about one of our bots that we've had for a while. This is one that we built. We actually spent quite a few weeks, and I think some of the people here in the channel right now have actually been part of the creation of this bot. So if we can find that, we'll say Iron Condor. I think this would be a pretty interesting bot to run during this time frame here. So we have our options Iron Condor. There it is. And when we created this bot back in the day, we created quite a few different versions. So this is one that I've actually been running for quite some time. This is, I think, the back test that we got on our version 10 of the bot. When we back tested this back in the day, this is up until December 2024, which tells you a little bit about how old this thing is. But when we back test over that time period, we got ourselves a 314% annual return, which is pretty damn crazy. And, was thinking, is that going to actually happen or not?